Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously I'm downstairs in my garage, and the thing you notice on this garage door is that it stops. There's about a 2-inch gap at the bottom there. And so today what I want to do is show you how to fix this. So what we're going to do is go over to the garage door opener. Let me get my little step stool here. Okay. And so the first thing we're going to do is we want to push this button here, this middle button, till it beeps, and then we're just going to hit the up. Oops, sorry, we have to hold that. We're going to hold that until it goes all the way up. Okay, so now that it's all the way up, now what we want to do is hit that button again, and you notice it flashes, and now you see the bottom arrow flashing. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold this arrow down until it's about maybe an inch off the ground, and then let it go. So we're going to continue to hold this button down until we get about an inch off of the ground. Okay, so there is where our gap is. Now let's see if that actually did the trick. So the weight of the garage door should push it down, but sometimes this thing's a little finicky and it may or may not work. So now it's just a 1-button push, and now that we're up, now it wants us to hit the down button. There we go. Hopefully it closes properly. No, didn't work. Okay, so let's try this again. All right, so we just lifted the garage door all the way after holding the button here. So we're resetting this again. Now it's asking us to hold it down. So this time I'm going to hold it all the way down to the bottom. These things are so finicky sometimes, all right? So now let's see what it says. So let's go ahead and open it, and then we'll give it a final close here, and hopefully that adjustment has done the trick. Okay, so there's our open. We're good. Now let's try going down. There we go. So now it's done what it's supposed to do, which is to close all the way. And now once that's done, you'll see it's fixed. Okay, so then you can just throw that bad boy on up here and call it a day.